Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can see deleted messages in Facebook Messenger. Don't forget, dear friends, subscribe to our channel. Please put your likes under the video, and also please write comments. Well, let us get down to the topic with you. And if earlier you had a situation when you deleted, perhaps, important information, an important message, or accidentally did it from Messenger application, then you may, friends, wonder, is it possible to somehow restore and view such deleted messages? And the answer is yes. In order to do this, please open the Facebook Messenger app. Now you will need to go to the menu and then please select Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. If you don't have the old version of Facebook Messenger updated yet, then from the chat section you will need to click on the menu on the top left. There you'll also select Settings and scroll down to the bottom. Now you will need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, select the option called Your Information and Permission. Now select Upload Your Information. Now once again, please click on this option. Now please select your Facebook page that is linked to Messenger. Next, click the bottom option, Specific Information, so you can select something specific. Scroll down a little bit, select the message, Next. Now download to your device. Then you can check the information that you see on the last page, which is your Gmail, your Facebook page, is it correct? You can also go right here to the date and select the deleted message for which period you'd like to recover. As you can see, there are different options here, such as for the entire time period of 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, or a week. Once you have selected the option you want, click Save. You can also choose the format as well as the quality of the media as required. Then click Create File. And then you will be taken back to the Meta Accounts page to upload your information. You will have this future file made. And when it's completely ready, you'll be notified to your email that you previously specified. And you'll be able to come back here on Facebook and click Upload. After this section, so friends, you'll be able to download a file like this with your deleted messages and chats, and see that file in the Files app on your device. This is the way, friends, you will be able to view your deleted messages in Messenger. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.